If you give me your dead motherfucker calling me James Lee without the collar that I need the reaper with the black hood on the set, young snug with the blood red slab, popping massive bodies hanging on the thread.
Peggy 3.
Y ahora Messi. Impresionante. Parece que lo hace fácil. Ha protegido el balón también hasta el momento que ahora no aparece. ¡Qué buena oportunidad! ¡Leo Messi!
Peggy 3.
Football. It hurts and humbles. For every winner, a loser.
For every triumph, a defeat. But on the horizon awaits a new season, a new opportunity for redemption, for glory, for immortality. The brave will take to the pitch as warriors to battle, shoulder to shoulder, face to face. The hunger, the determination to push limits, to fight, to run, tackle, defend, attack, score, and celebrate. As the new season dawns, new stars will rise, new teams will captivate, new stadiums will rock, new challenges will emerge, new battles will be fought in the name of glory, in the name of honor, in the name of football. The game we love, the game we live for. Every challenge, every cheer, every minute, every second. The best game. Our game. We are FIFA 14. The new season awaits.
Football is the greatest drama on earth. This is our stage, our theater. I was born into it, others were adopted, but we're all connected. If you don't believe we're family, you haven't felt what we felt. Agony, tension, heartbreak. But that moment, when it comes together just right, words cannot describe. But this isn't fiction. This is real life. Our life. The stages are real. We can feel them, experience them. They come to life. These leading men take the ball, take the man, and take their place as legends. Our heroes run through walls to ignite our imagination. An entire season changes with one kick, one bad decision, one slip. But one magic moment lives in our hearts forever. We live for these moments. We are these moments. This is more than a game. This is football. FIFA 15. Feel the game.
Beautiful football. The game played by the entire planet. The game that brings us together. The game made up of many faces. But the beauty is in the moments. Powerful. Suspenseful. Stunning. Spine-tingling. But for as much beauty as I have created, for as much beauty as I have experienced, I know I have seen nothing yet. But what is beauty if you cannot experience it? FIFA 16. Play beautiful.
I got my head checked by a jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. Woo!
Play it first on Xbox One with EA Access.
Well, it's the one we've all been waiting for. Here we go. A chance, Ronaldo. We're on the verge of something that's going to make headlines for years to come.
Oh, the whole stadium stands as one.
Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. He's up for the header. Power, sheer class. Astonishing.
Increíble.
Unbelievable strike.
PS4 for the players.
Quando eu era criança, sempre sonhei em tornar-me um campeão. É preciso determinação e vontade de vencer. E até mesmo nos momentos mais difíceis, tu tens de continuar a acreditar. Esta é a tua oportunidade de te mostrares ao mundo. Tu és um campeão.
With no antenna, and the cool kids peeped on the internet. Ain't no fighting the hype when it's evident. I mean, feast for your eyes, ain't you mystified? At a minimum, fresher than your Listerine.
Oh, you missed it, huh?
How you missed the vine?
Oh, you missed the mastermind.
I'm amazing.
You won.
Yeah, you looking at the best. There you go. EST, you got me. I got the brains on me or the intellect, and when I be on scene, all the eyes connect, so come get some. Smooth as peanut butter, need no other feast on me, man, I've been the best. I got the brains on me or the intellect, and when I be on scene, all the eyes connect, so come get some. Smooth as peanut butter, need no other feast on me, man, I've been the best. Oh, amazing! The one! Yeah, you looking at the best. Yeah, you're looking at it. No